Hello traders, in this video I am taking a look at the Vortex Turbo EA for MT4 and MT5, and we are just going to go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, the main features, and also the historical backtesting performance to see how the system is designed to operate. And before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So right here in the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that Vortex Turbo is developed by Stanislav Tomilov, and at the moment the EA is priced at $500 with a yearly rental option also available at $295.95. Okay, the current version listed here is 1.41, updated in April 2026. And according to the marketplace information, this expert advisor supports both MT4 and MT5. Now, one thing the developer makes very clear from the beginning is that this EA is specifically designed for XAUUSD. All right, that's gold. Okay, so it's a gold focused trading system rather than a multi-pair setup. The recommended time frame listed here is H1. Okay, and the developer also recommends a minimum deposit of around $1,000 for more moderate risk conditions. As I continue scrolling through the page, the EA is described as a scalping expert advisor that combines AI-based market analysis with a controlled martingale and averaging grid structure. What is important here is that the developer repeatedly mentions that every trade includes a built-in stop loss, which is intended to prevent the kind of unlimited exposure that people usually associate with traditional martingale systems. All right, so the martingale, the marketplace page also mentions adaptive filters. Okay, adaptive filters that respond to changing volatility and liquidity conditions, along with pre-optimized risk profiles that are designed to simplify the setup process depending on whether someone wants a more conservative, balanced, or aggressive approach. All right, so another thing worth mentioning is that the EA is heavily centered around short-term gold movements, and micro trend activity. The developer explains that the system uses a multi-layer neural architecture combined with volatility mapping and pattern recognition to identify potential entries during fast market conditions. Okay, so now moving into the settings and operational side of the EA, the developer recommends using low spread ECN brokers for better execution quality, especially since this is a scalping focused system where spreads and execution speed can influence overall historical testing performance quite a bit. The page also states that the EA compiles, or rather complies with FIFO rules, okay, supports both MT4 and MT5 environments, and includes hard stop loss and take profit levels on trades. Okay, so now as we transition into the historical backtesting section, it's important to remember that the developer specifically states that backtests are mainly intended for optimization purposes and not as guarantees of future performance. Okay, so now we're just going to head over to our strategy tester. I have already tested the Vortex Turbo EA on the recommended assets, which is gold, and on the recommended time frame, which is H1. Okay, so we can see that here. Vortex Turbo symbol XAUUSD H1 time frame, and the test was run, over about 4.5 months from the beginning of this year till date. All right, and then as for delays, we are using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling, for better accuracy. All right, so here we have, the trade history. This is the chart here, the gold chart, and we can see that the EA is actually targeting short-term price movements on gold. As we saw on the marketplace page, we can see now that when a trade is executed, even within that same candle, the trade is closed, right? We can see that happen here again, happen here and here and here, and so on and so forth, right? So the EA targets short-term price movement is a sort of a scalping EA, right? A scalping EA, although there are significant spaces, uh, between the trades. Each candle represents 1 hour, right? So this we had about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, about 16 hours between these two trades. And then you can see how many hours again between this trade and this trade. Although this particular, set, the trades we are taking just, back to back, right? And then we can see that within this particular candle, about two trades, or at least two trades we are taking here. And then here again, I think this was just one trade that was taken, right? Because we can see only 1 arrow and here, 1 arrow here. So this one now, probably two buy trades taken, and then both uh both we are closed at a particular level, right? We can see here the information displayed here: sell 0.02 XAUUSD at so price and all of that, right? So here we had quite a number of trades, a few trades taken and then closed within the same candle. Okay, so now let's just head over to the results, and we can see that from an initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars, the total net profit was negative 245.98, and then we had 219 total trades. Short trades were 100 with 51% win rate. Long trades were 119 with 47.9% win rate. Now, the largest profit trade was $87.04, and the largest losing trade was $418.08. The average profit was $12.02. The average loss was $13.91. Now, we have a bad risk to reward ratio here, and we also have a bad win rate. That is, the reason why we had a negative net profit, okay? Because combining bad risk to reward ratio and poor win rate, of course, you would expect to see a negative net profit. All right. So looking at the historical chart activity, you can, see how the EA, had, built up some positions during certain market phases, which aligns with the averaging and controlled martingale structure described earlier on the marketplace page. And at the same time, you can also notice that trades are not being opened constantly, right? There are periods where the EA remains inactive, and according to the developer, that behavior is intentional when the internal model detects uncertainty or unstable market conditions. Now, from the overall historical testing behavior, the system appears focused on recovering positions during gold volatility while still operating within predefined risk boundaries through the use of stop losses. And honestly, when reviewing any gold scalping EA like this, I'll still recommend running longer term historical testing yourself so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions, especially during high volatility periods. As always, historical backtesting results can vary significantly depending on broker execution, spreads, slippage, leverage, lot sizing, optimization settings, and overall market conditions. So overall, the Vortex Turbo for MT4 and MT5 appears to be an aggressive, gold-focused automated trading system built around neural-style market analysis, controlled averaging logic, and structured stop-loss protection. But like with any automated strategy, especially systems involving grid or martingale elements, proper risk management and personal testing are extremely important before considering live deployment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.